I'm here with Richard Aiken from Applied Graphene Materials. Richard, can you tell us a little bit about Applied Graphene Materials and what you guys are all about?
Yeah, Applied Graphene Materials is based at the old Wilton Centre in northeast of England. And we went on the stock market 18 months ago with 6 people. We're now up to 31 people. And we're doing our very best to scale up the technology for production, for the applications, and for the relationship with the customers.
Great, great. And where do you see graphene, in what products do you see graphene in the future?
Well, our focus is on the composites and the coatings and in the functional fluids. In these areas we think that our graphene can enhance the properties of those application areas.
Great. Mm-hmm. And you know, I talk to people and they talk about graphene being in the research and development stage. Where do you think the market opportunities are, and what's your view on the industry as it stands right now?
Right. So as you can see in the name, Applied Graphene Materials, we're focusing on real-time applications and getting our results in those type of situations. For example, we just completed the results in the Paint Research Association, where we introduced the graphene to 2-pack polyurethane system, which could be used for automotive top coats.
Oh, fantastic.
And we found, or they found, excellent results for the scratch resistance, which increased by 50%, and the transparency was a remarkable 96%. This is with 0.2% of graphene, so this is not what we were expecting, so we were very delighted with that.
Well, that sounds fantastic. I know most people that drive cars and you get your nicks and scratches on it,
sure,
things
right.
like
yeah,
that, so to protect about that, everything might help.
Yep.
Richard, how have you found the IDTechEx show here in Berlin 2015?
I'll tell you what, it's been really great. We've got a wide variety of people coming to our stand here. We've got some very interesting questions, we've got some very difficult questions, and more importantly, we've got a whole bunch of guys that we can follow up with, leading to potentially real business, which cannot be better. And the organisation is superb.
Great, Richard. Well, thank you very much, and I hope you have a fantastic event.
Thanks very much, Thomas.
Thank you.